guys, just a little tribute today for one of America's fallen heroes, Kobe Bryant, and his daughter and the other 7 families who were devastated by that horrific helicopter crash in California just a couple of days ago before this video here. So anyways, I'm going to continue on with Kobe Bryant. Kobe Bryant says there to bring value into your life and try to help you gain more financial and time freedom into your life today. Okay, what I'm going to show you in this video is how you can make $40 just redeemable to you even today, just for signing up and getting started with this one website. Alright, so stick around. We're going to get you started on it here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. As I said before, we're going to show you how you can make up $40 redeemable today just for signing up and getting started on this one website here I'm going to show you today. Alrighty guys, well first of all, before we get started on that, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel or to my videos, and reach down there right now while you're thinking about it, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell so that you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here on this channel, to bring financial and time freedom more into your life with each and every video. You don't want to miss it. Click the subscribe button and the bell just now as you're thinking about it. Alrighty? Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started in on this video here today. I'm going to sort of do this video as a tribute to Kobe Bryant and his daughter and the other 7 families who passed away in that helicopter crash. It's a very sad time for America this week in our history. Okay? Alright, so we're going to come over here to this website right here. We're going to bring up our Opera browser right here, and it's this website right here. It's called Triaba. Triaba, I believe I'm pronouncing that, or Triaba or something like that. You see it here in the address bar right here. It's triaba.com. Triaba.com. This website here, you can respond to paid online surveys and earn from 50 cents to $5.50 for each survey that you complete. Alright, paid online surveys by Triaba USA and Make Money Online. Join today. So it's simple, just join up, answer some surveys, and make some money. And then it talks about other companies here that want to come here and have their own survey here for people's opinions, such as you and me, right? Alright, so and you can see they're trusted by Trustpilot here. Also, right here at the outset, I'll tell you too, they have a opinion app. You can get the opinion app for your cell phone and do this through your cell phone. You can do that by, down here you see it for the Android phones and the iPhones right there at the bottom. You can click on that and get the opinion app here too as well. Okay, so a little bit more about what this company is here. Talk about Make Money Online here. If we click on that, tells you a little bit about it here. Can you really make money online with surveys from Triaba? And the answer is yes, you can. And it says down here, you may wonder how many. Let me zoom in a little on this for you here. It says you may wonder how many surveys you can get. Well, if you live in the U.S., which by the way, this is available right here, as you can see, available in about 83 different countries around the world, and it even says it down here to the left. You see this right here, paid surveys in 83 different countries. So you can see that this is available to you pretty much no matter where you live at in the world, as you can see here, all down through here. Okay, alright, so it says if you live in the U.S., so using the U.S. as an example, you can get as many as 20 to 40 surveys each day if you're in the target group. And it says you'll be paid from 25 cents to $5 for each completed survey. And then you can redeem your earnings to PayPal when you have just $12.50 in your panel account there. You see that? If I can get a little closer here, you can see it. And so you'll have and actually you're gonna be able to get started on that even today. Okay, I'm going to show you here in just a minute. So hang out with me. Don't skip the video. Hang out here. All right. So anyways, also, and like it says, they use PayPal. We're using PayPal as a payment option in most countries. And and it says right here, I always tell you guys this, and I kind of thought it funny, that I read this actually on a website finally, because it speaks to what I've been telling you guys about PayPal. When you sign up for a PayPal account, if you don't, go to paypal.com and you can sign up for a free PayPal account there. And make sure that the email address that you use for your paypal.com account, make sure it's the same one that you use to sign up for any website that pays you by PayPal, such as this one. And they actually said that right here. If you'll notice right here, it says the email address you are using in Triaba must be the same one as the one you are using in PayPal. See? So I always tell you guys, make sure you use the same one, because you want to keep it congruent. You want to keep it so it's easy for the company to pay you. They don't have to ask you again when you go to get a payout of your money. And this goes for any website, not just Triaba. Any website that pays by PayPal, you want to make sure you use the same, so they don't have to ask you for your PayPal email address. So just use the same email address that you sign up with on PayPal and this site here as well, or any website that pays you by PayPal. It's a good thing to do. So they confirm pretty much right here what I'm talking about. All right, so then and then you can talks about payments here, and you make money online. It talks about how much they pay, and they use PayPal. You only need $12.50 in your account, and so on and so forth. You can get, it says your money will be transferred to your online account at PayPal within 1 to 4 business days after you request it. Okay, and you can get Amazon gift cards. You can get what's called G codes, virtual gift card, and so on and so forth. And they show the payments down here, what it is. And then on the surveys, they show you how much they pay out per minute, depending on how long the minutes are. It says the model below illustrates what a panelist will normally earn for a completed survey of a given length in terms of minutes, here it says. Okay, and so from 0 to 2 minutes, 25 cents. 14 to 15 minute surveys, $1.63, and then all the way up to a 36 minute plus is $5. Okay, so then basically what you want to do after that is you want to come and click on the join button here, and when we click on the join button, you'll see it'll come down, talks about joining it, about the opinion app again, which I already talked to you about, and so on and so forth. And then you'll see this form right here, and it's already on the login part of it. What you want to do is click on sign up right here. So when you click on sign up, you see it opens the form up a little bit more here, right? And then you just simply fill it out. Here again, put your PayPal email address right here, the one you used in PayPal, and then create a password. Put your date of birth in here, and then your zip code, and then make sure you check the box right here that you've agreed to the privacy and terms. Okay, and then just click register. And when you get registered, they will send you an email confirmation, which you see right here. Down here you see it. Thank you for joining Triaba, and you want to click on this link right here to verify your account. Okay, so when you click on that link and verify your account, bring you back over, and it'll get you, and you'll be logged right in. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and log in now. I've already done this, of course, as you see, and so I'll sign into my account, and then right away it brings you over here, and you go to profile, and you see they want you to fill out your profile as complete as you can, because it makes sense. The more complete your profile is, and they know about your different things that you like and so on down through here, as you can see. I'll answer questions about household, occupation, auto, electronics, health and lifestyle, ethnicity, food and beverage, education, hobbies and interests, media, travel, smoking and tobacco, healthcare, research, mother and baby. So they want to know your answers to all those categories, which will help them match up surveys with you, and you'll probably even get more higher paying surveys. The more you fill out your profile, the more higher paying surveys that you'll get with this. Okay, and then so as you can see, I just signed up, and I haven't answered these questions yet here for these profile questions here that they want and that I just showed you. And then you can put any other information in here that you want to, and so on and so forth. And then after that, then what I did was clicked on surveys right here, and it loaded all these surveys up. Now here's what I'm talking about. I told you guys in the beginning here that you're going to be able to make $40 just for getting started with this particular website. Okay, so as you can see, here's the first survey. Now I haven't filled out my profile by answering those questions yet, but you see here there's one for 6 minutes long for 62 cents, 14 minutes long for $1, 18 minutes long for 75 cents, 17 minutes for $1.62, 13-minute survey $1.25, 14-minute $1.62, 22, 112, 14, 162, 112, 112. It just, guys, look, it comes on down and just keeps coming, survey after survey after survey after survey, all the way down to the bottom of the page, as you see here, and it's clear to the bottom there. Alrighty, all these surveys that are available to me to begin with, and it'll be available to you as well. Alright, so I added those all up. And as you can see right here, when I added those all together, it comes up to close to $40. Now it said back there in the other part of the site where I showed you only needed $12.50 before you can ask for a payout, right? Well, right off the bat, if you do all these surveys, and these same surveys, my guess, are going to show up on your profile too when you first get logged in. So that's $40 just for signing up and getting started on this one website. And if you complete all those surveys, you can ask for a payout of that $40 right at the beginning. I mean, it's redeemable to you the first day if you do all these surveys in the first day, as soon as you sign up, right? Alright, so now let's see if there's anything else we can do here. So I'm going to come back up here and scroll this back up real quick like here, and we come over to the frequently asked questions here. I'm not going to read all of these, but a couple of them we'll take a look at here. It says, what do I need to do to start receiving paid online surveys? And it says here, all you need to do to get started is to fill out the short sign up form on the home page, and then click submit, and then get your email confirmation. And then, when should I expect my first paid survey? You should receive your first paid survey shortly after you had submitted your information through our sign up form, as you see right here. Alright, so what you just saw, I showed you a whole list of them that you're going to get as soon as you get logged in to your account here. Alright, and then the let's see here, and it says down here, how much money will you earn? It's going to be between 50 cents and $6 here, it says. So back before it said 5, but so $5.50 in some spots, so up to about $6. And then you, of course, say, what will all surveys pay cash? The answer to that is yes, by PayPal, like I showed you. Okay, so you guys can come over here and read the rest of these questions if you want to down through here, and so on and so forth. But the main thing is to come here, get signed up on this website, and start in your surveys already, and make that $40 the very first day, and get that going. And then if you make, let's say they were talking about also back here, remember it said in the US you can get as many as 20 to 40 surveys each day, right? So let's just take an example. Let's just take an average. Let's say if we got 30 surveys in one day. Alright, and let's multiply that by a good average. Let's say $2.50 as an average, because it's between what, 50 cents and $6. So let's just take $2.50. So if you did just 30, which is an average between 20 and 40, and times that by $2.50, you'd make $75 in one day. If you did that many per day, if you did 30 surveys in one day, you're going to make $75. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, that's what I wanted to show you here, was a good site where you could come and make $40 just for getting signed up and starting your first list of surveys, and get that $40 right off the bat. Alrighty. Well, guys, if you like this video and got the value out of this, reach up there and give me a thumbs up down there. And don't forget to hit subscribe, and subscribe to the channel. Click the bell so you get notified. And also, don't forget to leave your comments, if questions, down below if you have any of those. And also, don't forget, if you want to check out my #1 recommended business, click the link down there where it says mentorwithkev.com. Get my free video training and check out my #1 recommended business and see if it's a good fit for you. Okay? Alrighty, guys, I'm going to let you guys go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.